Just spotted a match set, I think, laying side by side. Right there. Don't think it's a fresh one, but doing pretty good here. There they are. Might be my biggest ones of the day anyways. Looks like they've been sitting there a while. Nice, that is a wicked set actually. That's the nicest set I found this year so far. It's a shame I didn't find it last year when it was fresh, but happy to find it regardless. Awesome one there, the other side right there. Stoked on that, that's awesome. Just found this guy on the way down. Thinking it's a badger skull, but I'm not quite sure. So if you guys know what it is, just comment. Kind of a surprise day. I went up to pick up one chalk that I seen from the road because I needed to walk, but ended up with that amount. 3 fresh ones. Did all right. Saw about 30 bucks up there. Lots of them hadn't even shed an antler yet, so I'll be coming back here for sure. Sorry about the wind, guys. Haven't quite figured out how to manage that yet on the phone. But I came up here to pick up the bleached out one I seen from the road. You can see a white tine sticking up right there, but immediately to the right of it, there's a brown from this year. So happy about that. Key for that guy. Got 2 of them. Sweet. You guys think that same deer 1 year apart? Seems like it. Sometimes I wonder if deer shed where there's already sheds because they feel comfortable. I don't know, but I've come across this lots where there's successive years like right close together. Well, that's gotta be from the same damn deer, you'd think. Makes a wonder, huh? Little guy right there. That one's pretty old and shoot up. That's 5 on the day. Another little guy right there. Nothing big yet today. Funny enough, I came to pick up an antler that I had spotted from the road the other day. Plain as day, bleached out on the side of a hill. And it is now gone. I looked everywhere, went back to the road, couldn't see it anymore, so that's that. Not doing too bad taking this route up. Another one sitting right there. Another little guy. Cool, I think that's 8 on the day. Doing good. I almost didn't come up this way, but I'm glad I did. Seems like every little knob I go over right now has got some antlers laying on. So that's pretty fun. It's starting to snow a bit. The wind just shifted to the north. Hopefully it doesn't snow too much to cover everything. I'll go grab that guy. Another older one. Probably last year's too. Sweet. Just put that other one in my pack and I just glanced up this hill. And I got a sweet one laying here, it looks like. Right there. Looks like a fresh one too. Sick. Gonna go check that guy out. This has been a good hill. There it is. Sitting right there. Looks pretty good. Sweet, that's a nice one. Really cool. I was watching a nice 4-point in here a couple weeks back and I was hoping he'd drop. This might be one of his sides. Be awesome if the other side's around here somewhere. Wicked. That's a nice antler. Pretty happy with that guy. Woohoo! Turning out to be a wicked day. Very unexpected. Got one way the heck down there. I spotted, I don't even know if I'll be able to see it through this. Somewhere in there anyways, I don't know if that's it at the middle of the screen. Wicked. This day is going awesome. I do not regret coming this way. Alright, I'll get back to you guys. Probably gonna walk the side of this ridge before I go down and pick up that one, but I'll get to it eventually and get back to you. Just picked up a little forky right here and then I looked up the hill and I got another one laying there. There. Just cleaning up here. I might just leave my pack up here, go down and get that other one, and come back up this way because I know there's kind of a little bowl up on top here that I really want to check and I don't want to miss out on that, considering how many I'm finding. Just to give you an idea where that one I seen down there was. Right there at the middle of the screen. But I'm gonna come up, grab this little 3-point, take off my pack, and I'll just hike down and grab that one quick because I want to hit the top of this hill. It's doing good here. Definitely didn't expect to do this good. Keep finding more, so I better really comb this property and make sure I don't miss anything, because I almost don't want to come back. But if I don't have enough time in the day to pick them all up, then I guess I will. Just a little guy here, but another fresh one. Right on. Throw that guy on the pack, and then I'm gonna leave it here and go down, get that other one. I'll get back to you. From this angle, it looks like this mule deer antler has a massive brow tine. That brow tine on that thing. That is crazy looking. I think it's even fresh this year too, so another good one to add. Sick. All right, let's go pick it up. Look at the brow tine on that thing. Don't see that ever around here. Our mule deer don't get big brow tines like that. Sick. Check out that brow. I think that's the biggest brow on any mule deer shed I've ever found. That is awesome. Just a dagger. That is killer. Sick. So I got a crazy looking deadhead over here, it looks like. Right there. I don't know if it's just all chewed up on the antler or what, but I'll make my way over there and check that out. Kind of just looks like it's all chewed up. Just an old chewed up deadhead. Nothing special. Been sitting there for a long time. Just making my way up this hill with this heavy ass pack. Just seen another one sitting there. Sweet. Looks like a half decent one too. What a day. I just counted, I'm up to 16 now on the day. And I'm at the very back end of the property and still have to make my way all the way back on top of this hill. So needless to say, I'm doing all right. Right on. That is number 17 on the day. I'll get back to you. Pretty slow on the way back. I think I scanned it all pretty good on the way there. Kind of went mid-ridge looking up and down. I think I picked the majority of them up, but I almost thinking I have one in the bush right here. Maybe. Could just be sticks too. I'm gonna go check it out regardless. No, it was one. Just a little guy. Little fresh 2-point. Been pretty slow on the way back. That's the only one on the way back so far. I've just picked this up in the bush right here. And I turned around right by this big rock. Pretty nice one sitting there. I'm almost thinking that's the other side to that nice one I found down lower. I'm hoping it is. I'm pretty sure it is. Sick. Yes. It's gotta be the other side. Wicked. That's sick. Stoked on that one. Got both sides now. Pretty happy to finally find the other side of it. Kind of hiding up here in the bushes out of the way. The only other one I wish I would have found is that other side with the big brow tine, but lots of season left. So I was saying I wish I would have found the other side to this guy when I picked that up, but it turns out I had already picked this one up with my son the week before on the other side of the property. So I got the two from this year, and then I also picked up his set from last year as well. Grew a little bit, but same kind of brows on there. The one flares out on the right there, and then scraggly windy one on the left. 2 years of sheds off that buck. So yeah, pretty awesome. I did find that one that I was wishing I had found. It's a pretty cool set. I'll have to go back for him again next year if he makes it through. This is actually the sweetest set of the day. It's 1 year old, but it's still a tank. It's got some extras on there. Got that sweet G4 kicking right out of the middle. Pretty stoked on that guy. There's everything from today. Not quite back to the car yet, but I don't expect to find too much more now. That is everything actually, except for 6 that I had already put in my car this morning. So I'm not sure how many that is. It's been a pretty wicked day. For being a solo day all by myself, that's wicked. I found two nice sets. Found that one in the middle with the huge brow tine on it. Definitely stoked on that. Was not expecting to be here maybe past 2 hours this morning, but I just kept finding more, so I stayed. Figured I'd cover it. I don't know how many I got here. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13 here. 6 more back at the car. So 19, almost 20 today. Thanks for coming along with me today, guys. Don't forget to hit the like and subscribe to my channel. We'll see you guys next time.